Silence on the green while our golfer makes a stroke.
Please, use your quiet golf voice when you speak like that.
Sorry about that. Wait a minute, take your order, please.
Just gotta get a bacon cheeseburger, please.
One bacon cheeseburger.
That's it.
All right, we're at our first hole, the Burger King. Here's my bacon cheeseburger. There's a lot of condiments on here.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This week I am playing a round of fast food mini golf.
A lot. I just dropped a glob of ketchup right on the wrapper sitting in my lap.
The rules are simple. Go to a restaurant, order a food item, finish food item to achieve par, and then move on to the next restaurant.
Careful. You get that on your skirt, your head's gonna pop.
If, however, I am unable to finish the food item I've ordered, I do receive a stroke penalty for each approximate bite remaining.
Hole number 1 with a par.
Woo! Hole number 2 is KFC.
KFC, go ahead and order whenever you're ready.
This bag is so greasy. But the food is going to be delicious. Oh, I should open my spork first.
What's weird about that is that food is not greasy, but the bag was.
It's like they drained some chicken on it or something. No offense to KFC if you wanted to drain chicken on my bag. That's A-okay by me. I just won't put the bag in my lap. All right, here we go. Oh, it's hot. Like really hot.
I was legitimately shocked by how hot the mashed potatoes and gravy were.
Oh, it burns going down. Ooh. Woo! Hot. Hot, 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 hot.
I'm not joking. This is like McDonald's coffee scandal hot.
Okay. Hole 2 done. Now we're on our way to McDonald's.
Hole number 3.
Hole 3. Oh, I popped out of frame. Sorry about that. This is a lot flatter than I remember it.
Chicken sandwich.
But it has just as much mayo as I remember, which is an unethical amount of mayonnaise to put on any sandwich. At this point, it's been about 30 minutes since I started eating, and I'm feeling really good, and I remember thinking at this point, hole 3 is almost done, and I have got this entire game in the bag. I'm also thinking, when did the McChicken get spicy?
Oh no. Oh. No, we already.
Do you have a Happy Meal?
Nope. Nope.
But we are happy. All right, on to hole 4.
Here she goes. She's my hungry caterpillar. So today, I'm a caddy. A caddy driving around to many fast food places feeding my hungry caterpillar. Tiny snacker, I guess, but I'm still stuck on last week.
So the cute little kid behind, no, that's cut. The kid behind the counter was going to put on some more hot dogs, which is what I had the intention of getting while I was here, but I didn't want to wait that long. So I got 4 beef mini tacos, but they are quite mini.
And they're supposedly beef.
Beef product. And they're very crunchy. Oh, this has a nostalgia of 1990s heat lamp food.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, and they're a little spicy too. Well, if you like spice, you will not think that these are spicy. I like food from the hot case. Ooh. If I get sick, something tasted off about this one.
I was just thinking that if you got sick, the color array is going to be amazing. But I didn't want to say that. But you opened the door.
Yeah. Earthy would be the nice way to describe how that tastes.
The other ones were okay though?
Yeah, just that last one had the taste of like fungi.
Well,
And I don't think there's mushrooms in the mini beef tacos. There could be.
7-Eleven. Really rainy.
All right, on to hole number 5. Hole number
Yep.
5. Boom!
Hole 5.
Like a psychopath, I ordered French fries from Taco Bell. Bonus fries from the bottom of the bag. I'm just setting them on the dash. I didn't realize that it was going to take me the same amount of time to open the nacho cheese sauce as it is to eat the whole thing.
Childproof.
It is. All right. Oh. That napkin was just sitting next to the fries. Oh gosh. I better get those off the dash. Who knows what they're going to do. Hot.
There's a way to make it stop burning. Slow down.
Hot seems to be the theme of the day. I think that this is the fastest that I've consumed the fast food after getting it from the window. I don't usually just pull into a spot and start eating. I have a destination, somewhere that I'm headed, and that's why people eat fast food, right? I should have known better than to get French fries. I've watched enough competitive eaters to know that that starchy product can really slow you down, but I also didn't want to get a bean burrito or a large item that was going to completely crowd my stomach and make it impossible to finish this game of golf. In the moment, the fries kind of felt like the lesser of two evils.
I am covered in nacho fry crumbs. And they stand out on my black leggings because they are orange. At least it kind of coordinates with my top, so. All right. Onward to Starbucks, my love.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. I'll be right with you.
Okay.
It's so pretty. Oh, actually, now that I've pulled it out, it's not as pretty as the one that was on the poster. It's a little lopsided, but it's okay. All right, here we go. Whoop!
Goodness. Great.
Oh,
Not what you're expecting in a cake pop, huh?
I basically just got a mouthful of frosting. Is that what a cake pop is? Wet cake and frosting? All right.
Recover.
Onward to Wendy's, my love.
Hole number 7.
Thank you for choosing Wendy's. What can I get for you tonight?
There. All right. 6-piece Wendy's nugget with some sweet and sour sauce. It's very nice. Before she takes the first bite.
Ambient bird music. Sounds.
When we drove past Steve Prefontaine's mural, I said that I was going to channel that pre-spirit to help get me to a par on this mini golf challenge because I was already feeling quite full.
I watched a squirrel out front today that looked just like you.
I know. I'm always feeling quite full at the end of these videos.
Look like you just had your wisdom teeth taken out. Now you're gonna start saying funny stuff on the way home. The burping is starting. You're starting to feel full. What are you making for dinner tonight? Proud of you. Par for the course.
Okay.
Off to hole number 8.
We stopped at Dairy Queen. I've got my my vanilla cone. Oh, Dairy Queen soft serve is so nice.
Hole number 8. I've never had ice cream on a golf course though.
So cold.
Everything was too hot, so either you complained too much or...
There's that too.
Off to hole 9 for... I won't give it away. I'll just wait. More sweets.
This is where I realize that I'm in a little bit of a pickle. I've got my left hand with the ice cream cone and the right one is holding the camera, and I have to peel back the paper, and there's no place to set down the camera, and so I just start winging it. It's live theater, baby.
We're in pain.
Hole 9 from Domino's. Are these delightful lava crunch cakes? Cheers. It's warm and I forgot to bring something to drink. I was lamenting the lack of beverage pretty quickly. That first bite, that gooey center just kind of oozed out and coated my mouth and teeth, and it was really hard to swallow. It was just a thick, fudgy consistency. So hot. You would all be disappointed if I missed complaining about the temperature of one food item during this challenge, so there it is. Hot! Oh wow. I instantly broke out into a sweat. Oh my goodness. I'm legitimate sweating buckets.
I saw this happen in a video where Joey Chestnut ate 32 Big Macs. And it was like Big Mac 18 or something. He just started sweating profusely. And I feel like I look like that. Not that I have achieved that incredible status, but oh my gosh, I can't stop sweating. I think I'm wiping powdered sugar onto my face. Whoa.
That's what par looks like.
I need to go get a napkin. Let me go get some water. All right, that's better. That was fast food mini golf. Well, my first attempt. And that was probably one of those courses for kiddies. The hungry husband and I always play mini golf when we go on vacation. So this was a lot of fun to have a fast food version to try and knock out in my hometown on a rainy day. This ending is shit.